How to change your work experience on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your work experience on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down and click settings and privacy, and now click this one, settings, and go down again and you will find here profile information. Click on it and here you will find work experience. Just click this pen here and now click this one, edit workplace, and then just click this X and then add your new workplace like this one, and then just click save. And that's it. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.